We're now in hour number 3 because it's 3:23.
When I started out my truck, it was like 1:09 when we came out the parking lot.
Hour number 3, and we got somebody on a motorcycle in the snow, only in North Carolina.
And we run low on gas.
And we running low on gas. This is a gas station down the street. Oh, Lord. Help us, we need gas, man. Oh, Lord, Pam. He don't listen. Lord Jesus. We don't have no gas. We gonna die.
Gas, no blankets.
No blankets, no food, no heat, no crackers. I got some Dr. Pepper, though. Oh, Lord. Help us.
You're stuck on the roads right now. Consider your situation before calling emergency service.